And in the wake of yesterday's storms, we know many of you have insurance-related questions. With us tonight is Doug Benz from the New Buffalo Insurance Agency. Doug, thank you for being here.
Oh, thank you for the invitation.
Okay, so if someone isn't covered at this point, is there anything they can do?
Their options are going to be pretty limited. There may be recourse from the state. They may set up an emergency fund. They may provide some relief for uninsured homeowners. But more or less, you're going to be on your own if you have damage and you don't have any insurance.
Now, for traditional homeowners policies, the house is covered, right? I mean, there are very few situations, if any at all, where that wouldn't be the case.
The house is going to be covered for wind damage. Some damage from water would be different. But for wind, for tornado damage or wind damage, you're going to have coverage on a standard, typical homeowner's policy. Big
storyline with these storms, obviously, down trees. If you have down tree in your yard, or many, as many people do, big difference. If it hits something, it's one thing. If it doesn't, it's another. Could you clarify that?
That's correct. If the tree is just out in the yard, if it's down kind of on its own, there's probably no coverage for that. But if it falls on the house, if it falls and causes some damage, if it's blocking the entrance to your house, a homeowner's policy may have some coverage. Not a lot, but it might be something like $500 per tree, up to a limit of $1,000 or something for tree removal.
Situations like this, people realize a lot and make changes moving forward. What can they do, and what would you recommend as far as enhancing policies?
Yeah, I think it's always a good idea to review your insurance coverage periodically, especially at times of changes. People don't think of it, but maybe you've put on an addition, maybe you've remodeled the basement, and now it's furnished. And those are excellent opportunities to kind of take a look at your coverage, see what you have. Sometimes people are covered for things they don't need any longer.
Doug Benz, New Buffalo Insurance Agency, thanks for taking the time tonight.
Thanks, Adam.
And some local agencies are also available to help those affected by the tornadoes. If you need cleanup supplies or people to help clear debris, call 211. And if you want to help out, you can donate to the Salvation Army's response by texting the word WNY Storms, all one word, to the number 41444.